Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will know how to set timers for taking photos on your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, open camera in your phone and by default it is in photo feature. You can also select others. I would like to take a photo but with timer. Okay, if you click on this shutter button, immediately it will be taking, that is photo has been taken now. But if you want to set a timer, you can do it. Just click on this timing symbol and you can set from the available options. First option is 2 seconds, then 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Up to 10 seconds you can wait and then you can take a picture. This will be useful when you are capturing picture and you are shooting the picture, and after setting up the shooting, then you can come to the frame and within 10 seconds you can take a photo. So you will be included in the photo. So without the help of others, you can take a photo. For yourself also, for single photo also, you can set the camera and then you can take a photo with timer. Okay, now I will show the demo. For 2 seconds, first I show the demo. I have selected 2 seconds and I click on taking picture, and with the delay of 2 seconds photo has been taken. Then I select 5 seconds option and 5 seconds waiting time will be applied here. I click on the shutter button now to take a photo, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now photos will be taken, and finally 10 seconds waiting time. And see here, this will be much better because if you are setting the photo and then you can come and include in the photo. Yes, it has been done. So in this way you can easily set a desired timer, but from the available options only. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.